Today we're delving into a detailed comparison between two prominent vacation rental management platforms, Guesty and Lodgify. Guesty is tailored for property managers handling multiple listings across various platforms, while Lodgify focuses on empowering property owners to maximize direct bookings with user-friendly website builder tools. In this comparison, we'll explore 5 key variables: features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and alternatives. Let's start our comparison off by taking a look at these programs' main features. Guesty features include channel management. Guesty offers robust channel management capabilities, enabling property managers to efficiently manage listings, reservations, and rates across multiple platforms from a centralized dashboard. Automation tools. Guesty provides advanced automation tools for tasks such as guest communication, cleaning schedules, and pricing adjustments, streamlining operations and saving time. Integration options. Guesty integrates seamlessly with various third-party tools and services, enhancing functionality and customization options for property managers. Dynamic pricing. Guesty's dynamic pricing feature utilizes data analysis to optimize rental rates based on market demand and seasonal trends, maximizing revenue potential. Lodgify features include user-friendly website builder. Lodgify offers an intuitive website builder with customizable templates, empowering property owners to create stunning mobile responsive websites to showcase their rentals. Direct booking focus. Lodgify prioritizes direct bookings, providing tools for seamless reservation management and online payment processing, reducing reliance on third-party channels. Property management tools. Lodgify equips users with essential property management features such as availability calendars, guest communication tools, and automated messaging, streamlining day-to-day operations. Channel management integration. Lodgify integrates with popular channel managers, allowing users to synchronize property listings across multiple distribution channels effortlessly. Guesty and Lodgify both offer tiered subscription plans tailored to different business needs. Guesty's plans start at $1.50 per unit per month, while Lodgify's plans start at $12 per month with additional fees for premium features and services. Guesty excels in providing robust channel management and automation tools suited for property managers, albeit with a steeper learning curve. In contrast, Lodgify offers a user-friendly experience focused on empowering property owners to manage direct bookings efficiently. Guesty's strengths lie in its comprehensive channel management, automation capabilities, and dynamic pricing feature. However, it may be overwhelming for users new to vacation rental management. Lodgify's pros include its user-friendly website builder, direct booking focus, and seamless integration with channel managers. Yet, it may lack some advanced features found in Guesty. Alternative vacation rental management platforms to Guestify and Lodgify include Airbnb, Vrbo, and Hostaway. Each platform offers unique features and pricing structures catering to different property owners and managers' needs. In conclusion, the better option between Guesty and Lodgify depends on individual preferences and business requirements. Guesty is ideal for property managers seeking advanced channel management and automation capabilities, while Lodgify is well suited for property owners prioritizing direct bookings and simplicity. Thank you for watching. Sign up for your preferred platform using the links in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy internet tips and comparisons, and check out our other videos for additional insights. See you next time.